Is your formerly rigid post sagging? This video can help. I'll be replacing a fence post and reusing the original concrete post hole. You might be asking, but why? Well, concrete is a pain in the butt. It's messy. It's an environmental nightmare. Old concrete has to be broken up and disposed of. New concrete creates emissions. A lot of labor is required to remove an old concrete fence post holder, and replacing it costs money. Reuse is free. That's my favorite price. You're going to need a really big drill bit. This one was $15 down at the home shop. Okay. There is labor involved in removing the old post from the concrete hole, as you can see. Is it more than digging a bigger hole, busting up the concrete, hauling it away, securing a post vertically, mixing new concrete, pouring the concrete? I say no, but your mileage may vary. Past performance may not indicate future results. No warranty expressed or implied. The purpose of the drill is to break up what's left of the post down in the hole into little bits. Then I used a little trowel and a shop vac to suck out all the remaining bits out of the hole until I got it as deep as I wanted it to be. This took a while. Probably more than a foot down in there. That'll be good. It's a little bit too tight for the new post, so I'm gonna have to shave it down a little bit. There we go. Full disclosure, this was not a fun job. It's not even really a satisfying job because at the end of the day, you end up with a fence that's back the way it was a year ago before it started sagging. But you'll have a rigid post again, and the knowledge that you didn't add to an environmental catastrophe. You reused something that worked before, and hopefully you saved yourself some money and a little labor.
Solid as a rock.